And there's another way you can help, too, and this is very easy. You do all your holiday shopping with Red. Over the past 2 years, our Red Shopathons have raised $97 million, which is almost $100 million, but not quite. So over the course of the next hour, you can get all your holiday shopping done. Then tomorrow you can say, I'm done with my holiday shopping, and everyone you know will hate you. It'll be wonderful. All right, who's ready to shop impulsively? Are you ready? Go get your mother's credit card. Let's do this. Where is my sweater? Well, this is the home shopping portion of our show. Welcome and thank you for tuning in all the way up to channel 915 for our 3rd annual Red Shopathon. I'm Jimmy, and this is your chance to do good and buy good at the same time. Am I right, Guillermo? Or am I right?
You're right.
Thanks. I guess our products are not here yet. Where are our products? Does anybody know where the products are? Oh, my goodness. Wow. Look at this. Wow. It's Kristen Bell, everyone.
Sorry I'm late, Jimmy. I hope you didn't start fighting AIDS without me.
We would never do that.
Okay.
That is an absolutely gorgeous suitcase. What do you call this color?
It's red, Jimmy. It's the color red.
You know, that is wild.
Yeah.
I've not seen that before.
This is the Raiden Red A22 carry-on.
Oh, that must cost what? $30,000?
Guess again.
More?
It's the opposite of more. This beautiful carry-on bag from Raiden is only $295.
Well, that's less than $300.
You are about to fall in love with luggage all over again. And wait until you see what's inside.
Hey, gang, do you want to see what's on the inside? I have a feeling they would. Holy Jesus, born on Christmas Day. And this is the perfect holiday gift. Hey, let's get started because I am itching like I've got syphilis here. I really want... Now, this is an item I know you're going to love. This is, you've probably seen this, the Beats Pill Plus. You know the Beats Pill Plus?
Oh, my stars, I'm not swallowing that.
Oh, Kristen.
No way, Jim.
Pill is not for your mouth, it's for your ears.
That makes more sense.
Yes.
Makes more sense.
The Beats Pill Plus is a portable speaker. It's only $179.95. You can listen to whatever kind of music you're into. Rock, rap, or my favorite, faith-based music. And part of every purchase goes to benefit Red's fight against AIDS.
Well, a pill that fights AIDS, now I've seen it all. Well, thanks for watching our show, everybody.
No, Kristen. We actually have a lot more stuff to get to.
It hasn't not been an hour
No, it's not
already?
even been close to an hour. I'm sorry.
Darn it. I just wanted to get to Radio Shack, my local Radio Shack, to buy, you know, that speaker.
Kristen, Radio Shack died years ago.
What?
Yeah. This year, Red has joined forces with Amazon.
I think it's Amazon. Amazon.
Well, butter my butt and call me a biscuit. From now through the end of December, shoppers can buy more than 150 Red products at Amazon.com/Red or via the Amazon app. That's right here. Oh my goodness, it's Bryan Cranston. Oh, hey. Wow, Bryan. I'll tell you something, you smell great.
Oh, well, thanks, Jimmy. You know, that's because I'm using Red Showered Essentials Kit from Baxter of California. It includes shampoo, body wash, face wash, and deodorant.
I wish you guys at home could smell Bryan Cranston right now. Kristen, get in here and smell Bryan.
All right, okay, I will.
He is just, yeah.
Oh, my God, Bryan, you smell delicious.
Oh, well, thanks, Kristen. I smell good because I did good. Because, and I'll tell you why, because Baxter of California, it gives a piece of every purchase to Red.
Oh, isn't that wonderful?
Isn't that nice? Yeah. Oh, boy. Would you mind handing me my Alexander Del Rosa women's fleece robe?
Oh, I'd love to hand you a woman's robe.
I think I'm wearing a woman's sweater right now. Hey, Bryan, maybe since you're here and you're already naked, you might want to stay and host the rest of the Shopathon with us. What do you think?
Well, Jimmy, That's awfully tempting, but no can do.
Oh.
You
All
see,
right.
Bryan Cranston, well, he likes to fight AIDS the old-fashioned way.
How's that, Brian?
Well, by running it over, Jimmy.
Oh, wow, that's a great way to do it. Isn't that a great way to do it? Oh, there we go. Oh. There we go.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Brian. Well, will you look at him go?
So talented. And
He's so clean.
he's even cleaner than Ariana Grande.
Oh, I don't know about that, but I do love that red Vespa 946 scooter and matching Vespa helmet.
Yeah.
Those are both part of the Red product family.
Hey! Do you know what that sound means, Jimbo?
I do indeed. It means it's time to get serious. Let's get back to the desk. This next item is a real doozy. Kristen, have you ever heard of DNA?
Of course, I've had it for years.
Oh, well, this is an opportunity to share your DNA with the whole world. It's a health and ancestry service kit from 23andMe. Learn all about your family history using your spit.
Well, in my day, if you wanted to learn about your family history, you had to sit on Uncle Maurice's lap while he whispered in your ear.
Really?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Is it?
Yeah, it is, definitely. Anyway, Uncle Maurice has passed away, I hope?
Yeah, he's
okay.
gone.
Anyway, well, that's great because now all you need is a small tube of saliva.
Oh, I have mine right here.
All right. That's wonderful. Now we're going to find out who Kristen Bell really is because we have the results, Kristen, and you are, oh my goodness, 100% Mexican.
Wait, Jimmy, that's mine.
Oh.
That's mine.
All right. Well, that was confusing to everyone.
Sí, muy confundido. Qué lástima.
For a second there, I wasn't sure if my co-host was white or not. Our next item is not only stylish, it's practical too. A red leather smart cover for the iPad Pro. Isn't that red?
Ooh. You know, Jimmy, Apple has contributed $160 million through the sale of Red products to fight against AIDS.
Apple the company or the fruit?
I don't know, I'm just reading the words.
Okay.
But shop their latest collections. Go to apple.com.
Wait, is there an echo in here?
There sure is, Jimmy. It's the Amazon Special Edition Red.
Let me tell you something. Every home should have one of these.
Yeah.
Tell us about the Echo.
It slices, it dices, milk comes out of it, and best of all, it's a chair.
None of those things are true. But the Red Echo will play anything, call anyone, answer stupid questions, check your calendar, weather, scores, control your lights, you name it.
It sounds like I don't even need a husband anymore.
When you really don't, Kristen. When we are done tonight, no one will ever need a husband again.
Wow. And $10 from every purchase goes to support Red's efforts to fight AIDS through the Global Fund.
$10 from every purchase. That is one. Oh, no, Chrissy B, we're almost out of time.
What?
And we have so many more Red products to show. What are we going to do?
Calm down, Jimbo Kimball. I've got it under control. Bring out that red light special.
Oh, here it comes. As you can see, our little pal Guillermo is totally decked out. Guillermo is wearing the special edition Red Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones on his ears, on his wrist. You can see the beaded love bracelet from Ubuntu and an Alex and Ani inspired bracelet.
That is so cute.
He is so cute, and he's wearing a shirt from Baller. His pants are being held up by the MCM reversible belt on his adorable little feet, a pair of no bullfire camo trainers, and Guillermo staying dry under a blunt red Metro umbrella. Get that open, Guillermo, or you're fired.
And I'm riding a skateboard deck by Girls Skateboards.
Guillermo, you really love Red products.
He does.
It is true, and the best part, I bought everything with Jimmy's credit card.
What?
And we bought everyone in the studio audience a red Amazon Echo to take home.
made a mistake.
Welcome back to our third annual Red Shopathon. I'm here with our special celebrity guest stylist, Rita Wilson. Rita, what the hell are you doing here?
Well, Kristen, it's time for a surprise audience makeover! Who wants a makeover today? Okay. All right. How about you? Right there. Glasses, goatee, black shirt. Come on down.
All right.
Yes. Oh. Well, hi. What's your name?
My name is Woody.
Woody, have you ever had a surprise TV makeover before?
I have not, but I didn't know this was a magic show. This is cool.
Well, by the way, I've never done a makeover before. This is my very first one. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I hope you have insurance.
How fun!
Absolutely,
Well,
best.
while Rita goes to work, let me tell you about the exciting makeover products we'll be using today. Rita will be applying the AHC Hydra B5 Soother with Kiki Milano's Skin Trainer for your eyes. From there, she'll be using the Retinol Restorative Neck Cream from 100% Pure Cosmetics Company and the Clean It Zero Cream from Vanilla Company. And she'll finish you off, Woody, with the Sugar Red Lip Treatment from Fresh. Okay, I think we're ready for the big reveal. How did we do?
Ta-da!
Oh my God.
Do you want to see the results?
I'm so ready. Can I
Show
see
them
it?
the
Can I
results.
see it?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
What do you think?
Oh my God. I look like a monster. What have you done to my face?
We gave you a makeover. You're welcome.
I look ridiculous.
Well, yeah, but what if I told you all the products we used on you helped fight AIDS?
Oh. Oh, in that case, I look amazing.
Thank you for being such a good
Thank you.
sport.
Oh, yeah, thank
especially
you.
with
Thank you.
Welcome back to our third annual Red Shopathon. Your chance to buy all your gifts to help stop AIDS in one convenient place. And there's still time to take advantage of these amazing deals. You know what? Why don't we take a call? Hello, are you there, caller?
Kristen, let me in. Can I come in?
You're outside.
What's up? Can I come in?
Well, I don't know. I mean, you could be a murderer, but you know what I say? Why not? Come on in. It's
Kristen!
And you brought a little
Yes,
one. Who is this?
my son, Assad Tuck Khaled, my biggest blessing.
Oh, hi, buddy.
Also, my son, you can see what he's doing right. He's keeping it cozy with his SpongeBob. You know what I'm saying? Dream blanket from, I want to say this right,
Aiden and a nay.
Yes. And a onesie, another onesie. That's what we call cloth talk.
I love that. Can I get a photo of you guys?
Sure.
'Cause this is really, really cute.
Sure.
Okay. Oh, no, my phone is out of juice.
Oh,
Am
I got a solution for that.
What?
That's right. You see it right here. A charger that charges micro USB devices, and of course, your special phone, that Apple phone right there. I like
Wait
that.
a minute. It
I
is
like that.
charging just like you said it
I
would.
like that. By the way, I like your outfit.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to take this picture now. Ready? Say, bless up.
Bless up.
Right. Oh, thank you, DJ Khaled. You're
That's all
the
up.
best.